So over the years, I've dyed my hair several different colors, but lately I've been more and more concerned with the fact that I'm putting a bunch of chemicals right on my head, and that doesn't really sit well with me. So last year I hennaed my hair for the first time, and I was really happy with the results. Last year when I did it, I followed a tutorial that was super helpful, so this year I figured why not just use the same tutorial, and for the life of me, I could not find it. So since I couldn't find the very helpful step-by-step tutorial, I figured why not make one while I henna my hair. So let's get to it. So I am following the instructions that came with my henna. It offers a few different variations, but one version calls for 2 cups of black tea. So I took that literally with 2 cups of water and 2 tea bags. Let that steep and set it aside while we work on the dry ingredients, starting with our henna. Mine is from the company Morocco Method. It's what I used last time and I liked it, so figured I'd go with it again. Henna has a pretty earthy smell, so it recommends adding 3 teaspoons of ginger or cinnamon. I went with cinnamon. Next, it recommends 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. As you can see, I'm using the same measuring spoon because I accidentally added 3 tablespoons of cinnamon instead of teaspoons, but it didn't affect the end results and it really did neutralize the smell. And after that, we add our tea now that it's cooled. You do this a little at a time until it's the consistency of yogurt and hangs onto the spoon, or in my case, spatula, without dripping off. You may not need to use all of the tea, I did have a little bit left over. And once it's all mixed, you cover it with cellophane, trying to get out all the air, and leave it to sit for 8 to 12 hours, so basically overnight. Now that it's set, get some gloves and you're good to start applying. If you want to protect you and your clothing from the henna, you can apply Vaseline around your hairline and on the tips of your ears to protect them from getting stained, and you can drape an old towel around your shoulders or wear a shirt that you're okay getting stains on. I forgot to bring these things to my boyfriend's house, but we managed to do fine without them. As for application, I suggest starting front to back and then root to tip, just applying on small sections of hair. It really isn't that methodical. Last time I did it by myself and it turned out fine, but this time I very much appreciated the extra hands to make sure I got full coverage. Once everything is covered, you wrap it in cellophane to help it set and leave it for 1 to 4 hours.
What?
And now we wait 4 hours later. And here is the final result. It is in fact not 4 hours later, but actually a week later, because this is when I had time to film. This is what my hair looked like 4 hours later. When it first comes out, it's pretty orange, but then it kind of settles, and this is what it looks like now, which is more of an auburn, which is what I was going for. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to see more of the videos I make, I typically make stuff like what you see in the background, and if you think you might be interested in that, maybe consider subscribing or watching another video. Thanks, hope to see you in another one. Bye.